Artificial intelligence is revolutionating in every aspect of human life, from how we work to how we communicate and make decisions. Its impact is profound and multifaceted, transforming not only the job market but also our daily lives. Well, I'm gonna focus in two topics, so entertainment revolution and also education. Entertainment revolution, how? Well, by a streaming service use artificial intelligence algorithm to analyze user preference and viewing habits, recommending content that align with individual tastes. What is the purpose? Users enjoy a more personalized entertainment experience as they are presented with shows, songs, movies that they are likely to enjoy. In gaming, can adjust the difficult, the time based on the players, creating a more engagement experience. And well, taking into account with education, from my standpoint of view, if advancement in technology continue at the current rate, computers may augment their role in the classroom, but they are unlikely to entirely replace them because it's impossible. Science teacher has a crucial role in the learning process of each student. Well, you know, we as a student, we need a real feedback in a real world from the teacher. And also, well, maybe the artificial intelligence can help us in order to overcome our weaknesses on our mistakes in our learning process if we want to focus on English. So nowadays we can use artificial intelligence in order to improve in our skills, such as through listening, through Sonter, that is a really interesting application or app that we use in order to study each lyrics of songs, and also by the reading, writing, and speaking as well. To conclude, well, you know that artificial intelligence provide us tools that are really crucial for improve, but we don't need to depend of them because, well, we can use it in order to study, to improve, and to learn, but not to depend because, well, it's so difficult for us to try to improve without artificial intelligence. So, yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.